we've been a long-standing member of the EBME conference, and we always find it's very engaging. We get to see a lot of customers, and we just love the sort of feel, the ambience of being here.
So EBME Expo is the go-to event for us at Philips. We have attended for the last, I don't even remember how many years. It keeps getting bigger and better, so we have to come back.
It's always amazing when we come here. We love to see our customers, we love to meet new customers, and just hanging out with the EBME crew in general. Yeah, looking forward to doing it again next year.